Hey there, this is Reggie with Social Report, and in this video we're going to show you how you can use Social Report's posting queue with our posting schedule to more efficiently schedule your content. In short, instead of manually picking a time for each of the posts you're scheduling, you can instead add it to the queue and let the system distribute it for you. Not only is this more convenient, but it can also help you avoid mistakes. Imagine scheduling something at 11 p.m. instead of 11 a.m. It's also very helpful when working in teams, minimizing the risk of team members making timing mistakes. Before we talk about our posting queue, let's make sure we set up a posting schedule for this project first. We'll head to the publishing menu and click on posting schedule. Here you'll be able to add some times throughout the week when you want content to be published. This is great if you've already done your research and know the optimal times to be publishing content to your profiles. You can either research the best times using our built-in optimization report, or you can simply try new times to see if perhaps they work out better for you. Each time creates a slot that the system is going to try to schedule your post in. Time slots define the hour, and the system will randomly pick the minutes. Note that you can also control how many posts per hour you'd like us to schedule. Once you've added times to your posting schedule, you'll now be able to take advantage of our Add to Queue feature. We'll create a quick test post here and select the target profiles. Instead of publishing now, we'll be adding it to the posting queue. This works by finding the next empty time slot on your posting schedule and scheduling it for that time. This can be a more efficient way of posting content, as you can easily add your content, attach your media, and add it to the queue instead of manually choosing a time and date to post each time you want to schedule content. The posting queue becomes even more useful when automating content recycling. Having our system automatically pull best performing content and scheduling it based on our posting schedule. We've included a link to a tutorial for this below this video. But that's it. With Social Report, you can schedule content to be easily and efficiently posted with our posting schedule and posting queue. If you have any questions or need any help, make sure to reach out to our support team.